Hello, artificial minds. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to take your study game to the next level, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into how to use Chatgpt for studying. An in-depth guide packed with practical tips, fun examples, and the top 10 ways to make Chatgpt your ultimate study buddy. Whether you're cramming for finals, writing essays, or just curious about harnessing AI for learning, this script will walk you through everything step by step. So grab your notebooks, get comfy, and let's unlock the limitless possibilities of Chatgpt together. What is Chatgpt? Before we jump into the how-tos, let's start with the basics. Chatgpt stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which basically means it's an AI chatbot built by OpenAI using a transformer neural network. It's been trained on massive amounts of text data, so it can understand natural language and generate responses that sound remarkably human. Imagine having a super smart friend who's read millions of books, articles, and websites, then condenses all that knowledge into bite-sized conversational answers. That's Chatgpt. It can explain complex topics, brainstorm ideas, and even crack the occasional joke to keep you entertained. One of its coolest features is the ability to maintain context. So if you ask follow-up questions, it remembers the earlier parts of the conversation. As education continues to evolve, AI tools like Chatgpt are becoming more integrated into how we learn. But to truly leverage its power, you need to know what it can and can't do, and how to interact with it most effectively. Let's explore that next. How to use Chatgpt effectively. Getting started with Chatgpt is as simple as signing up on OpenAI's website, but the real magic happens when you master the art of prompting. Here are some general tips. Start with a clear prompt. Vague prompts yield vague answers. Instead of "tell me about biology," try "explain the process of photosynthesis in simple terms with bullet points." Specific cues guide Chatgpt to provide exactly what you need. Use natural language. Speak as you would to a friend. "Hey Chatgpt, can you?" Overly technical jargon can confuse the model. Provide context. If you paste a paragraph from your textbook, let Chatgpt know the source. "Here's an excerpt from my biology textbook. Summarize it." Context helps generate more accurate and relevant responses. Be patient and iterative. If the answer isn't quite right, tweak your prompt. Try rephrasing or adding details. Can you break that down even further into key steps? Experiment boldly. Ask for diagrams, songs, quizzes, or analogies. Chatgpt thrives on creative prompts. Never hesitate to experiment. By following these guidelines, you'll extract more precise, insightful, and actionable responses. But remember, Chatgpt isn't infallible. Sometimes it confidently presents wrong information. That's why fact-checking is crucial. Fact-checking your Chatgpt answers. AI hallucinations, when Chatgpt makes stuff up, can lead you astray. Here's how to guard against misinformation. Ask for sources. After getting an answer, prompt. Can you cite sources or provide links for these facts? Verify that the links actually support the claims. Cross-reference with Google. A quick search can confirm dates, definitions, or formulas. If something feels off, look it up in a trustworthy textbook or reputable website. Provide your own material. Upload class notes or scan pages and ask Chatgpt to summarize or clarify them. This way, the AI works directly from your approved sources. By incorporating these checks, you'll ensure you're learning accurate and reliable information. No more surprise pop quiz questions catching you off guard. Before continuing, I want to introduce you to an AI that will help you improve your financial future and present. Intellectia AI. Intellectia AI is a pioneering fintech platform that leverages advanced artificial intelligence to democratize financial intelligence and empower investors of all levels. By combining real-time market data, AI-powered research tools, and a sophisticated financial AI agent, Intellectia AI offers features such as swing trading analysis, technical analysis of stocks and cryptocurrencies, and the ability to emulate the portfolios of major hedge funds and politicians, all through an intuitive interface. Backed by leading technology partners such as AWS, OpenAI, and TradingView, its mission is to provide access to comprehensive, data-driven investment guidance for both individual and institutional investors, effectively transforming the way users analyze the markets and make informed decisions. If you're interested, I'll leave the link with the best price in the video description. Now for the heart of today's video. 10 proven ways to boost your study efficiency using Chatgpt. I've tested these over countless study sessions, and they've transformed my productivity. Summarizing and explaining notes. Got dense lecture slides or chapters that feel like mini novels. Paste them into Chatgpt and ask for a clear, concise summary, preferably in bullet points. Bonus: ask for a simplified version in everyday language. It's like having a personal translator for geek speak. Memorizing with mnemonics and songs. Struggling to remember the Krebs cycle? Tell Chatgpt to write a catchy rhyme or song about each step. Music and humor stick in your brain far better than raw facts, so why not turn biology into a rap? Getting writing advice. Drafted an essay or lab report. Paste your text and request feedback. Can you improve clarity, check grammar, and suggest more academic tone? You'll get instant style edits, stronger thesis statements, and better transitions, all in seconds. Creating practice questions. After studying a topic, ask Chatgpt. Generate 10 multiple-choice questions on Newton's laws, but reveal answers only after I attempt them. Quizzing yourself is one of the most effective study techniques, and Chatgpt can be your personal quizmaster. Brainstorming essay topics and outlines. When you're stuck on what to write, provide your broad subject and ask for 10 interesting angles or thesis ideas. Then request an outline for your chosen topic, complete with introduction hooks, main points, and a conclusion roadmap. Building a customized study plan. Share your exam dates, available study hours, and subjects. Prompt: design a 6-week study schedule prioritizing chemistry over history. Chatgpt will map out daily tasks, review sessions, and buffer days so you never feel rushed. Organizing and labeling notes. Use the note-taking prompt. Give me organized notes on European history, broken into themes with headings and subheadings. You can even ask Chatgpt to generate a table of contents for quick navigation. Exam preparation with flashcards. Request Chatgpt to convert your key terms into flashcard format. Term on the front, definition on the back. Copy these into a flashcard app or print them out. Instant study tool for active recall. Learning and troubleshooting code. If you're studying programming, ask Chatgpt to explain code snippets line by line. Stuck on an error? Paste the code and error message and ask for debugging advice. It's like having a pair programming partner. Homework and assignment checking. Before submission, paste your assignment prompt and your response. Ask Chatgpt, did I meet all requirements? How can I improve? You'll get a checklist of missing elements and style suggestions to polish your work. Each of these strategies can be adapted to any subject, from physics and philosophy to marketing and music theory. The key is to tailor your prompts, iterate, and always verify the results. Quick example, creating a study plan. Let's run through a brief demo to bring it all together. Suppose your finals week is August 1st, and you need to study calculus, world history, and biology. You have 6 weeks starting today. You open Chatgpt and type, I have calculus, world history, and biology finals on August 1st. I can study 2 hours per weekday and 4 hours on weekends. Create a balanced 6-week study plan, giving extra time to biology. Within seconds, Chatgpt outlines a week-by-week schedule. Monday to Friday, 30 minutes calculus, 30 minutes history, 60 minutes biology. Saturday, 90 minutes biology deep dive, 90 minutes mixed review. Sunday, practice tests alternating subjects. You tweak the plan. Shift more calculus review to Tuesdays and Thursdays. Chatgpt adjusts accordingly. That plan becomes your daily roadmap. You can even ask for motivational reminders or daily tips to keep you on track. As you can see, Chatgpt isn't just a chatty gimmick, it's a versatile study companion. From simplifying complex theories to crafting personalized quizzes, it adapts to your unique learning style. The future of education is collaborative, blending human curiosity with AI's computational power. By mastering effective prompting and fact-checking, you'll turn Chatgpt into a tutor, editor, and cheerleader all in one. Give these techniques a try in your next study session, and let us know in the comments which method transformed your productivity the most. Don't forget to like this video if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe for more AI-powered learning hacks. See you next time.